Hi guys, VST here, Tech. Welcome back. As you can see, I have this beautiful device here, and let me just show you guys, when I turn it back, right, this is the Note 20 Ultra, right? Now I know, S20 Ultra, Phantom Black, new camera bump, right? But have you ever held like this thing in your hand, right? It is still one of the best phones I ever really get, and I'm planning to do a full review, but I'm still testing it. Really, I'm putting it to the limit. Guys, this video today is going to be testing this beautiful device and the video camera in different modes, alright? So it's going to be very freezing. I'm going to be outside, almost not feeling my hand. Very rough conditions, guys. -2, right? So if you want to see how this baby behaves, shooting Full HD video on 60 FPS, shooting UHD video on 60 FPS, and 8K video on 24 FPS, cinematic fans approved, you might want to check this video. And guys, 96% of you watching these videos are not subscribed to my channel, and I told this, it's a crime. Please help me fix this crime and subscribe for my channel, alright? So let's start the video. Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra 20 video testing. We're gonna be starting from the FHD, 60 FPS, then UHD, and etc. So start. This is right now Full HD 60 FPS, alright. And I decided, guys, to shoot in this very beautiful scenery. We see there is some snow, right? Because this is always a very big challenge for the phones, right? Snow is too white, then we have sky. Dynamic range is a problem when there is a lot of snow and a lot of sun, because this is what white is doing to the phone. It's trying to really get the white balance to do its work, and I think it's actually happening, right? So with the risk for my health, I'm gonna run a bit just to test the stabilization. If I fall down in this battle, you know, it's my last video. Holding a coffee cup in the other hand. Alright, testing the focus, by the way. Okay, so we know the notorious S20 Ultra failed with focusing using the time of flight sensor, which is really was a bullshit thing, right? This thing here, a bit better, I would say, and actually define a bit better. I think it's much better, right? So it works. Alright, so guys, a bit sun, a bit of snow here, and a bit of sky. So this was here the Full HD 60 FPS. Now I'm gonna stop that video, guys. We're gonna go into settings, and as I told you, we're gonna go into the rear camera, and then we're gonna go to the next available resolution. In that case, this is already UHD, which is 4K at 30 FPS. Let's try to see 4K 30 FPS. Alright, we can see already it's 30 FPS. The only thing that I don't really like too much into the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the fact that you can only use the ultra lens and the telephoto camera only when doing 30 FPS videos, and this is so annoying, guys. But okay, anyway, we have the option here, so let's go ultra wide. Alright, hey, we can see the space zoom thing right now on the screen. This, I think, is already presented with this microphone and the yellow circle. Let's go back to the normal, guys. I'm gonna do some running, see how the stabilization is. UHD 30 FPS. I can barely feel my hand. It's bad, I can tell you it's bad. It's only -2. Anyway, I decided to do this video, guys. I'm gonna go now to the zoom camera, which is 5x optics, and just test the stabilization. Is there a bird there? No, we have a Bulgarian flag there. Not so bad. Okay, let's do some running here with this. Alright. I would not say it's too good, but I think it's just quite okay. Go back to normal camera, guys. Do some running to test the UHD 30 FPS stabilization. Alright, let's do 360. Okay, 1 minute. So stop that video, guys. And now going for ultimate test. We're gonna go right now and choose the ultimate UHD, right? 60 FPS resolution, right? And let's do this, guys. UHD 60 FPS, going back, trying to shoot the video. Oh, 60 FPS video will be saved in internal storage. Okay, I was not aware about that, right? So the file size is apparently so huge, right, that it requires really faster storage. And that's, I think, well put in a light of Samsung killing the micro SD slot, guys. It's 2021, right? We need to accept that the micro SD slot is just that, it's just too slow, right? But I know not all of you guys are buying this. Okay, good, let's see. Doing again the run test. UHD 60 FPS. It looks stable, it's very stable, guys. Let's test the focus here. Alright. Yeah, a bit slower, I would say. UHD 60 or no? Yeah, let's do it again. Actually, it's slow, but it works. You know, it's not the best thing we've seen around, but it's not blazing fast, but it does the job. Okay, a bit more scenery, a bit more sky, a bit more snow for you guys, and my shaky, almost frozen hand. Stop it here, I would say. So when we go back into the rear video size, we can choose that one here, which is 8K, right? So let's do the 8K thing, and hopefully my phone is get heated enough so that, you know, my hand will be saved. Oh wow, see the viewfinder shaking already. 8K resolution, recording will be saved in internal storage. Jesus Christ. 360 test. Sounds it's a bit stuttering, right? Anyway, let's do this running test in 8K. First time in my life, guys. Running while shooting 8K video. Wow, what a life achievement, right? Feel great about it. Okay, let's do the focusing test. Ah, God. Yeah, it's just freezing outside, guys. The video looks strange, you know, because when I turn like this, I think all the trees just lean to the left or right, depending on where I'm turning myself to. But it is still 8K video, and like people are saying, right? Clever people, not people like me. 8K resolution on 24 FPS. This is the right frame rate per second. They say, the big YouTubers, this is the right cinema FPS, right? So the cinema core, guys, 24 FPS, the real thing, right? Kubrick, right? Old school cinema. Let's see, guys. So guys, this was video testing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let me know if you like it or you don't like it down below in the comments. If you have any questions, you can hit me up here or in our Telegram channel. And please stay safe until we catch up on my next video. VST over and bye. Alright, good. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If that's the case, you might want to subscribe for my channel, guys. You know, like near 96% of the people watching my videos are not subscribed, and I think that's a crime, and you can help me fix that, please. So let's stay safe, guys, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.